laugh a bit now. Let me have a looky, see what I can see. If you're like most on the West Coast, you won't smoke it if it ain't green. I'm smoking brown weed since the day that I was born. Never matter what kind it was, just as long as I got strong. Man, the metal of Mexican green is all I'll ever know. I'm smoking brown weed since the first time I got strong. Buy me an egg, came wrapped up in a sandwich bag. Oh man, I sure felt great. Now I spent half the weekend picking out the seeds. If you're like most from the West Coast, you won't smoke it days and seeds. I'm smoking brown weed till the day that I was born. Never matter what kind it was, just as long as I got strong. Bale of Mexican green is all I ever know. I was smoking brown weed till the first time I got strong. Now I pay for kindness $0 an ounce. Very true. Where I'm from, it sucks. Ain't growing no greenhouse. Dying more than happy, shelling out your feet. If you're like most on the West Coast, you won't smoke it if it ain't free. I'm smoking brown weed, thank God those days are done. Oh, now I'm nice and my swag again, 'cause I'm living already done. The bale of Mexican green, all I'll ever know. I'm smoking brown weed since the first time I got strong. True looking story. Y'all been struggling for that. Without our friends, there would have been no place. It would have been a nice practice, but it was much better. I'm smoking brown weed since 2000. That's not true. I've been smoking grade A. Fucking higher. That's the fucking problem right now. I'm stoned and I forget. I've been smoking the shit I just smoked rather than brown weed. If I was smoking brown weed though, I'd probably just be asleep. My head would vroom, 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 vroom. Every time we go back to Missouri, we buy some kind of shitty weed just to get that shitty weed high, and plus it's all that's around. Alright, this is a song that we made a video out of. It's on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoy it, find it. Broken Roman Blues. This is for fucking all you guys.